Hi, I'm Rachel Ausilio, and I'm a science teacher here at Lakeshore Middle. What do the producers go through? What process? The Glades region is where I started. It's my heart, it's my home. The kids are absolutely amazing out here. And to be able to look at these kids at the end and see they're graduating, to know that I've had that impact, yes, I'm a teacher and I'm a proud teacher out here in the Glades. I have been interested in science since my junior year of high school. Then I wanted to bring that passion to the kids. So my biggest thing is our hands-on learning.
Congratulations. For all the teachers in Palm Beach County, you've been selected as the Teacher of the Week.
Teachers are measured on their outcomes and their grades and graduation rates. You have left a mark on these story pages of these beautiful children.
Thank you for doing everything that you do, and thank you for being a teacher in the Glades region.
I feel like I always knew that you were gonna make a difference because you just stuck out.
Yeah. So I'm really excited. I'm pregnant with my second kid. We are 6 weeks away, and it wasn't until probably my third year, fourth year teaching that I knew that I honestly wanted kids of my own, because I couldn't imagine not having my own experience with my own children that I got to have with these beautiful kids out here in the Glades.
I love you both so much. Oh, y'all made it.
It's special out here. It's real special.
Hey, Palm Beach County, who will you nominate next?